Hi Peeps. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Boeing search method to find job on LinkedIn. You're going to head over to LinkedIn and you're going to type your job role and hiring, and you're going to put it in quotes. Like example, administrative assistant in quotes, and then you type hiring in code, just the way I type it up here, and then you're going to click on post, not people, not jobs. You're going to click on post. Once you click on posts, it's going to show you the post of people that has posted any hiring update, and you won't stop there and continue searching. No, that's where some people get it wrong. You will go further by clicking sort by, just what I'm doing here, and then you click on latest, and then you click on show results. This is going to show you the latest hiring updates, the latest remote job post that has been posted over the week or over some days. Like this job search now, this one is showing me 4 hours ago. This job was posted 4 hours ago, and is a remote data entry job. And I'm just that is me scrolling down to see more updates. This was posted 1 day ago. It says remote administrative assistant. The link to apply is there. These are remote jobs that you can apply to as a freelancer in Africa as well. This job also was posted 1 day ago, all on LinkedIn. You can see me highlighting this, a remote preventive maintenance administrative assistant. That's what they're looking for. And then I just keep scrolling and scrolling. So this is where some people miss it when they are using the Boeing search method on LinkedIn. They just search and then they continue searching. They don't go deeper to filter to get the latest and the best result. This job, as an example, was posted just 2 days ago, and it says hot new job alert. You see this, and all of these listed under are the perks and the benefits of working in that role. This also, for an example, was posted 2 days ago by Golf Career Hunt. I'm sure you kind of know them on LinkedIn. And this job is paying up to $23 to $25 per hour. I'm zooming in, look at it yourself. $23 to $25 per hour to work as an administrative assistant remotely. And this job was posted 2 days ago. I even go further by filtering more. I click on date posted, I click on past week, and then I click on show results. As you can see, 3 filters now that I've applied. I want to see the best of the best. You understand? So this is how you should use the Boeing search method on LinkedIn when you're searching for remote job. So now this was posted 1 day ago as well. This was posted 1 day ago, and this is also paying $23 to $25 per hour to work as an administrative assistant remotely.